morning sunshine fills this space. Every nook and corner of this place has been curated thoughtfully with much love and care and an attachment to our roots. This place is for you all. Till date, Lost and Rare Recipes has put in a lot of effort to present one recipe after the other in our channel. A lot of effort and care has gone into serving our food at your doorstep throughout Kolkata, Salt Lake, and Newtown. Hence, we have designed this pre-book lounge where the afternoon rays slant through the windows and the green plants sway gleefully in the small courtyard. We invite you all to our small abode. Our address is 32 Lake Place, alias Jyotish Chandra Ghoshorani. This place is behind Lake Market in South Kolkata and adjacent to Southern Avenue. You could book it 48 hours in advance and come over, where we will curate for you a special meal of recipes that are really lost or rare. When the curtains fill the room with a shade in the afternoon, or the place gets lit up at night, a magic is created. You will feel like staying back for a bit more. You will feel like returning here again and again. And if you really feel that, we will know that our effort has not been in vain. For bookings, please contact 629 183 4357.